The Graspable option allows you to select one or more objects that participants in VR can grasp. This function is also available to participants without an XR-Easy license. To do so, first load a CAD model into XR-Easy in desktop mode. Open the Edit menu and select Graspable. Here you need to open the editor to select which objects should be graspable. As soon as you have selected the objects, click the checkbox to close the editor. The objects that are graspable are outlined in yellow for all participants in a VR session. Everyone can grasp the outlined objects even if Work in VR is not activated. To pick up an item, use the grab motion. After picking an item up, you can let go wherever you want, and the object will stay in this place. You are also able to place the item back to its exact position of origin. Objects that are graspable are different from grab mode. When grab mode is activated, you can choose and then pick up an item. To do so, first select grab mode in the hand menu. Then select the item you want to grab with your fingertip. Now you can grab it. Only one person in a VR session can be in grab mode, and they need a license on desktop to do so.